All right, let's do the real exercise.
Oh, that wasn't actually.
You're gonna grab your bag like this. Make sure the sand is mostly off. Get your feet in a position that you're gonna squat. You're gonna flip the bag into your elbow pits. Keep it in tight and squat. We're not Oompa Loompas. Don't make me laugh while I'm trying to work out.
My back hurts.
Keep squatting, your back will stop hurting. All right, set it down. Ow. Okay, now we're gonna do some jumps. Ready? Easy jump. No, do what I'm doing. Just jump.
My legs are now up there. Bro's got 2 foot things. Bro, your feet are giant.